Stephen Hann is the CEO of Genius Foods, and I wanted to find out more about what makes them tick. Stephen, what an incredible facility you've got here. Tell me, what's the ambition of Genius Foods?
So Genius Foods was born out of the gluten-free community, and therefore everything we do is about delivering great quality gluten-free baked goods. The best example of that, I'd say, is our new Naturally Genius range. And that's a range which has great taste, great texture, but also has less ingredients and more natural ingredients in it as well. So we're continuously striving to do better for that community.
And how do you get these gluten-free loaves to taste so good? Because they are delicious. How do you do it?
We have a relentless focus on product quality, particularly innovation, and making sure we develop the best products possible for customers. We invest in the right kit, and our site at Bathgate just undergone a £1 million upgrade. And then you underpin that with great people and expertise and great partners like Loma Systems that enables us to deliver the great products we deliver every day, day in, day out.